Hi, so today I'm going to discuss about what we learned about in AP Psych regarding the first week. Okay, so for the first question, psychology refers to the study of the soul or the mind, which psyche means soul and mind, and ology meaning study. Psychology has deep roots rooted in religion and philosophy because people used to consult in the Pope whenever they had psychological issues. Psychology can be split into developmental, social, therapy, and cognitive psychology. We can ask questions like, how do we think? Or are the mind and body connected? Psychology is a science because of our neurons, neuroscience, which means that the way that we think is not directly affected by our heart, but by our brains. It's also considered as a soft science because some people don't consider it as a real science, but because we're studying our neurons, it is technically a type of science because it has cold hard proof. The way that psychology revolves around the way that we think, the way we socialize, and our personalities, and the way we perceive the world. And we discussed a lot about our research methods, and the first one of them was laboratory experiments, which were clinical situations where the scientists manipulated variables. And field experiments are experiments in the outdoors that don't require a clinical setting, so the experiment can be more seen as more naturalistic. And then moving on to naturalistic observations, which means that you're only observing the subject and you're not interfering with the experiment in any sort of way. While case studies refers to in-depth studies of one person or small group. And lastly is correlational research, which refers to relationships between two variables. And finally, surveys, which are questionnaires that you give to people for them to answer, but they might provide the possibility of lying. And that's all. Thank you.